to AI Toolkit Online. In this video, we'll show you how to use the AI web chat feature. It's a tool designed to transform your website's user experience with intelligent, real-time interaction. So let's get started. So let's suppose we want to have the AI web chat analyze Indie Logic. We select the Analyze button, and it goes through the website and analyzes key components of Indie Logic. Okay, it's finished. So now we can start asking questions. Who would be the typical competitors? Okay, so it gives you some research and some competitive analyses if you were to use it on a competitor's website. You can also analyze top 10 keywords on the page. So if you're using a competitor site, you can analyze what's been working for them. So you can see keywords and so on. So in case you want to know what it can do, what can you do? And it'll give you a list of some of the key functions available for AI web chat. So it gives you an understanding a little bit about the website that you wanted to have analyzed. So that's typically the AI web chat. So thank you for joining us today, and we'll talk again soon.